Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special, and guys, it's another beautiful day. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos are very special. So, in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And right now, I want to have something here to eat. So, let me first wash my hand. And as you know, hygiene are very important. So, this is the hand wash soap right here, Alright, on today's videos it's raw and uncut, no editing, no hiding any more things back. Wow. Oh, that's how we do things here. And right now, let me see. Okay, inside here, man, we have chapati right here, and this milk. Wow. I place here my phone. Actually, right now it's so hot outside. Well, but I'm trying to look for the cup and having something. Whoa. This is my cup always. Big shout out to David Jr. You see right here. Okay. May I normally use this cup. The waiting series here. Wanna have something, and then guys we talk with you. I forget the plates. Oh my god, right here. Oh guys, enjoy this video till the end, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about. So for now, guys, I want to enjoy. Wow, this is a milk tea right here. That's enough for me. This is my food right now here. So guys, I wanna pray for my food. Okay guys, let's enjoy the food till the end. Yes, baba. Oh guys, as I keep enjoying the food, I'll take you outside and then I'll let you know at the end of the video. Wow guys, I finished eating here the food. So right now I wanna take you outside to see another beautiful day outside. And right now I wanna share with you summer season from East Africa, Kenya, especially in my village here. It's totally hot. You can tell guys in the comment section, it's purely hot. And right now the reason why I'm wearing my vest. Wow. Hey, you good? You good? What's up? It's a long time. What's up? You good? Anyway guys. Wow, stop it. Wow. So I'll not be taking you longer and let's see what's going on. And right now we have these trees here. It's create a good shade. I'm telling you, man. Right now here, it's like beautiful shade. Wow. So I see the ball right down there, how it's cemented and everything, and I want to do the way it is toward my project. Actually, when I get the money, I will secure that borehole all are well, you know. So I'll do it like this one here, and I probably, you see guys how it's cemented around, so to prevent maybe leaves going inside. And I love, in fact, the way it is. We have two doors. You have the smaller one. You see right here, the container can pass here, you know. So the container, it can pass here. It's right here, it can pass. And then this is a small door, we lock it like that way. So here it's a bigger one. So if somebody want to wash the borehole right now here, I like to make cleanness inside to remove the soil deeply, and then they will open here. See, they wanna open there. So for example guys, let me show you. We have the smaller door and the bigger door, and this is the result. See right here. So people will enter. Oh man, we have a lot of water. Look, and I'm going to look for the bricks. You know, guys, when I get money, I'm going to look for the bricks, like 400 of them, and 3 bags of cement. You know, they need steel bar. Sometimes they need door. You know, sometimes I need to make something which is very concrete, which can last for the long time. Not like faking things like no. So I don't want to risk people's life at home. So I will use the bricks. It's right here, cemented around. You know, round. You see, and then put a door like this one, you know. When it reaches a point they want to put like cement on top here, they must be having a door already. But probably, let me close it here guys, you know. And then as I keep showing you guys, let me know what do you think about on the comment section. I want to lock it here like that way. When it's okay, you can put your padlock and here, you know. You see, right here and here. But I think the main you can put here and also here. Wow, man. So that's, I think I have explained a lot. So probably when I get money soon, I'll do it. And on today's videos, I'm going to put things clear, you know. Wow, we have the cow right here. It's grazing, you can't tell, but this cow, it's friendly. But other cow, man, you must be very careful. Other cow, As I speak, when it pull up the rope, you will see the chaos running left center. Wow. So guys, stay tuned on today's videos. So I want to put things clear, man. I want to put things clear. You know, to be honest, I want to put things clear right now. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Keep it locked. Okay guys, finally. So I want to put things to be clear. So right here, we have who?
What's up guys, my name is David Jr. and we are home. Yeah, today I came back home. I arrived here very early in the morning from Nairobi, Kenya. Right here is a little baby.
Yes. Maybe I'll sit here because of light.
What's up? Tell me.
Yeah, me, I'm just good. And you know, most people ask me what's up.
Oh,
between
most
you.
people ask you.
Yes, between you and
Why did
David
they
Jr.
ask you?
To be honest, there is one of maybe somebody somewhere else came to trap me with 30 Canadian dollars.
Why did he decide to trap you with 30 Canadian dollars?
He said, okay, he sent me that, like, that's the price.
Stories from the village.
I'm telling you guys the way it is. And I
okay,
just like,
what happened? What happened?
like he sent me that money. Imagine 30 Canadian dollar to stay away from you. And then, to be honest, I used my mind wisely. And I came, I told you. So there's somebody sent me 30 Canadian dollar. So he wants me like to stay away from you.
Why did he want you to stay away?
Me, I don't know.
You?
If I'm a stupid boy, I could take that Canadian dollar, 30 Canadian dollar, and then stay away. But I know I gain most of things from you, and then you're the one who changed my life to put on me on this platform. Imagine 30 Canadian dollars. Even you can't buy maybe a trouser or to fill my bike a gas. So I came, I told you last time before we went to Nairobi. And then
why couldn't he send you even 1,000 Canadian dollars?
Me, let me tell you, if somebody send me even $1 million, I will never scam you anymore. Because that money, I will enjoy with it maybe 1 month or 2 weeks and then it's end off.
Guys, the thing is that personally, I'm always a busy guy. But some people, they want like I give them my time 100%. So if they feel like me, I'm not ready to commit my time, they always try to sabotage me. Like you've had your baby was sent 30 Canadian dollars.
Imagine. To be honest, 30. Even I blocked that man. Yes.
Honestly, me, I have no problem with people. What I always guide my energy, honestly. And the fact that we're so blessed in an extent, like we have many people around the world who support us, who watch our videos, who reach us out. So it's just a blessing by itself. What I can advise you, just be positive, just do your things, and the rest you just leave it to God. Because I do understand not all people are happy with the progress that we are doing. And always just stay calm, stay humble, and the rest you just leave it to God.
You imagine.
And also don't forget where you come from. You know, when you put in mind like, wow, this is where I come from, this is where I came from, and this is where I'm heading to, it gives you the urge to appreciate the little things that you have.
Yeah. You try to imagine the way you're supporting me. Maybe I think it's almost 1.5 years, and then all those 1.5 years, I gain a lot of things from you. And somebody came around, maybe from nowhere, tried to trap me with 30 Canadian dollars. It's just like a scammer. He need to scam me.
Like, guys, one of the, even some stories even we don't share on camera.
Imagine.
I've really helped Hello Baby in a way that I feel like he's one of us. Even like I always give him batteries, you know, batteries for the car, guys.
And brand new
ones, you know, just to help him because at his home they don't have electricity, they don't have even things to generate power. So at times even I give him my batteries, brand new. At times I buy batteries for the car, they don't fit. I give him, you know,
like I remember the red one that I use right now to control my small wife or Luther. It's the one that you give me from direct from the shop.
Yeah,
You
it
came
was
and then it's not fit, and then you gave me.
it was brand new. I do remember the red one.
Yes.
But this is a situation whereby a guy from nowhere, I don't know.
Even try to imagine, he sent for me a lot of link. Just click here, the Bible
No,
verse.
one of the
you
things
know?
that I have to tell you, there are some people who are hackers. They can easily take your channel through the links that they send you. So you have to be very, very careful on that.
Yeah.
Very careful, very careful. Not all people can be trusted, you know. Just do you, and the rest just leave it to God. That is it.
Me, I'm trying to imagine up to nowadays. But I think, guys, we put these things to be clear, and maybe if you wanna support maybe somebody else,
genuinely.
support in good way.
Yeah.
Don't say, oh, hello baby, just stay away from maybe Brother Dagi or David Jr. or just be your
And
own.
the same people, they always tell me, guys, imagine.
I think that's the first one to be blocked, and then there's another guy who sent me, imagine, I think 9,000 Kenyan shillings. Like to dig the borehole, same money to pay cement, to pay money for the bricks. Imagine, even I see that there's some money for the condition. I block the number. Me, I'm just following the people who are need to help me. Like, hello baby,
Without any ultimatums.
I want you to buy this container, and then that is it. And then I can go and make a video, buy the container, you'll see. Rather than giving me a lot of condition, and then you send me money, just click this link, you know. That's a kind of hackers, you know.
But only in all, what I can advise you, just keep doing what you are doing, and also remember, the real money is generated from the hard work that you put out there on YouTube. You know, the more you realize that, putting videos out there so that they can generate income, you are good to go. You don't need to depend on anything. And yeah, imagine if it could be donations, guys. We couldn't be doing something like this. Honestly, we couldn't having house like this. I couldn't even be driving. I couldn't even be building the house that I'm building, you know. Yeah, and this is something that I learned from my siblings. Do videos, generate income, and the rest you just leave it to God. So for me, I wish you all the very best. Keep working hard. Keep believing in yourself. Dreams are valid. Doesn't matter where you are coming from. And also pray.
And then I'll take you back. So the same, you know, we share audience. So the same audience came from you. And then he told me, hello baby, I was disappointed between you. What's happened between you and David Jr.? And then somebody tried to send you 30 Canadian. You know, I didn't watch your video when you made from Nairobi. So I think where this story came from. You know. But I went to watch your videos, and then the way I told you the way it is, and then you explain. And I know maybe people from think from maybe where I came from, maybe from the poverties, they can trap me with small money, like to do bad things to me. And people tried to advise me, hello baby, I know money, because of poverty, people can trap you with the small money. So you can scam the video.
Even people in the village here, they do crazy things because of the small amount of money. It's because of poverty. You hear like people sending pictures, crazy things because of something of money. No. Just be you, and the rest you leave it to go. To God. Please subscribe to his channel. Keep supporting him. Okay. Oh guys, so that is it. So it's so hot, guys. I think, guys, you have already heard the information and what is going on, guys. Me, I'm not the guy who you can trap me quick. I must think twice, and then when I do it something, I must ask, this is supposed to be do like this is supposed to be do like that way before I take action, you know. If I could, maybe the guy who maybe do things quick, I could take 30 Canadian dollars and then stay away from Dave Jr. But I know where my life starts from. Imagine, guys, from 0. And then if you're watching my video keenly, go and watch my 4th or 3rd videos on YouTube. You will see me working at Dave Jr.'s. I was a slim boy, you know.
and then my life was like complicated. But David Jr. he tried to advise me, supporting me, introduce me to this platform. And guys, to be honest, I'm free-hearted. I just do it the way it is, and he tried to advise me, "Hello, baby, you know what? Just do this, just do this." And I know, guys, this video that I made here, one day, guys, it will pay me off, you know. So rather than maybe taking 30 Canadian dollar and then stay away, because imagine, guys, try to imagine, from a handman, I build a nice toilet. You have already watched my videos. From a handman, you guys, I get one of the audience support my mom with a tank. From a handman, I'm trying to make videos every day. I purchase materials for my mom's dream house, like stones. You have already seen the video, it's just over there. And from a handman, I renovate my house. I have a nice couches. I put tiles on the floor. I have the mat. I have the small TV. I put the ceiling board. I sleep in good way, you know. Even man, at a time I feel like life is simple because guys, you support me a lot. Through David Jr., you support me a lot. I have a nice bed. Of course, my house it's somehow small, and it doesn't have maybe a window, so I could show you the parts of where I'm sleeping. But all in well, me I said God is great, and I want to say thank you so much for my people who supporting me. I'm telling you guys, because man, I feel like if there's somebody who do this all kind of scenario, just watch these videos and take your mind back, and I never do it that one. They think because of the poverty they can trap me, like trap with the small money. I'm telling you, man, I'm not the guy who maybe do things quick, you know. So I'm a serious man, and I'm just working so hard. Guys, you've been there watching my videos from 00 up the way right now. Imagine, even right now I'm shooting these videos from David Jr.'s home right now, or Congrats Mom's home. You can see, imagine, and it's the part of my family. How I'm going maybe 30 Canadian dollars to scam David Jr., and it's my part of my family. Me, I'm not that stupid, man, you know. So anyway, guys, I just like to advise the somebody who do these videos, and he sent me a lot of link, you know. It's a Bible verse, just click here, and I listen instruction from Dave Jr. Never make a mistake to click any link when somebody send through you, and the moment I click, my channel will be hacked, or my channel will be doing something which is bad, and I start maybe claiming with no reason. But man, me, I'm just say, God, thank you for the small things that I have, and maybe one day I'll be on the next level. So let's go, guys. Let's go this way and see what's going on. This world come to the end, you know. So guys, right here we have the guavas. So that being said, it's already, I think it's already ripe. Oh man. Wow. We have baby calf right here. So anyway, guys, let me take you outside and see what's going on outside. It's so hot here. That's the reason why I wear the vest. Maybe most of the people who watch my video, they will ask me, "Hello baby, what's up? Where is your shirt?" It's so hot, you can't tell. And right now here I'm eating guava. Let me take you outside. I want to see my baby, whether it's okay, and then I'll take you back. Wow. And guys, that's my baby right there. It's okay. probably by tomorrow's videos I'll take down, go it that way to check my friend's land. And actually, guys, I don't know why I'm using this word actually and technically, but it's because it's stick on my mouth. So one day I'll throw that energy for those two words, actually and technically. But probably, that being said, on tomorrow's videos, I will start from my home, going up to that way, so to check my friend's land. And guys, if you're watching these videos for the first time, please subscribe, share my videos. Let me know in the comment section what you think about on today's video. But for me, I make right decision, so I don't want maybe to complicate issues here and there. You know, this is a part of my family. I'm telling you, man, this is a part of my family. Why not? If could be my neighbor, even I could not do those kind of things, like those kind of behavior. If no matter what, it was my neighbor, I never do those kind. Me, I'm just stay positive, stay humble, and I'm just focus my own things. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. Say hello. Alright, guys, on today's videos, it's a continuation videos, and actually right now this is what I'm calling home. Over there, there's my mama material. In case you're new here on today's videos and I don't know where I came from or where I'm shooting my videos, I'm within my home. Actually, this is my material which I bought less than 8 months, and then I put here, so it's waiting for the dream house. But this year, guys, I'm assure you maybe June I'll start building my mom's dream house. So that's the reason why I put materials, so like collecting materials, come in good shape. On this side here we have my uncle's project, and I really supporting them, like sand, balance stones, and also some pipes. So right now, like no cement, and maybe labor man, when they get, they just continue. You see, guys, we have balance stones right there. That's mine, and it's waiting, guys. I'm telling you, if the moment you buy like materials like stones, balance stones, it can't went wrong or rust. It stayed there over 10 years. So on my today's videos, I'll go and have one-on-one with David Jr. right now. So right now, this is my home here. This is where I'm born and raised, man, on this small farm that you see here. And over here, I have my baby right now. You know, it's served me a lot, it's helped me a lot. Wow, look at this chick. Oh, it's too small. Wow. But anyway, guys, what's going on here? What's going on here? Guys, look, it's totally black. But anyway, guys, so today I'm going to have a sweet talk with David Jr. And actually, guys, you just ask me what's up, man. Sometime, man, I was around at my home here, busy, having construction here, running to border town, coming back, and giving people work to work at, like to dig my borehole. And then the first guy try, like when he get money from me, like cash, he ran away like 1 week. And then I went like 4 days to look the serious people who need money. So right now, heading this way. Wow, we have the cock right now here. Let's go this way, guys. This is my small yard here. Maybe in the future, yes. Yes, this one here.
How is everything going on here?
Everything is good, and maybe every time when you came, you find a new changes.
Alright, guys, maybe you're just new here and you don't know this face. My name is David Jr.
Yes.
I come from within this village at the border town of Kenya and Tanzania, that is Nyabuhanse village. And I've been away close to 3 days. I was in Nairobi, Kenya, doing some activities here and there. But I thank God, I went there, I did everything, and I arrived safe here. So I decided to pay a visit at Hello Baby's home so that I can see how everything is faring on here. And I love the fact that he's working so hard every single day to change the narrative here. Like the other day I came here, I didn't find water here.
Yes, right now.
Though there were people they were working so hard to ensure water is here. But today is the D-day where I came. I find plenty of water.
Yes.
See, these water, all of these that you see here, it came from these boreholes.
Yeah.
What a blessing.
Yes.
And I always advise him, I always remind him the soil that he's seeing here, it's gonna be helping him a lot, because especially when I was building my house, when I was doing the foundation, you know, they asked me for maram, but the good thing I had it within my construction. So this, it wanna be helping you. Don't allow someone to come and take it. No.
Yes. Even on another side, I have where I dig we call it the septic, and then I keep it.
Yeah, this one, it wanna be helping you doing the foundation.
Yes.
It's key. They have to ask you this, and also remember it's being sold at a higher cost. But when you're having it here, you have materials ready, it eases the construction cost, you know, it goes down and down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So through you, I'm trying to change the narrative within my home.
What's
here.
the feeling?
I feel so good.
What's your life right now compared to when you are a handman?
Yes, right now when I'm trying to compare, it's
You know,
totally different.
You know, maybe some people, they just subscribe to the channel and they don't know Hello Baby used to be a handman, working so hard every single day.
Yes.
Pushing wheelbarrow.
They can go and click, I think my third video on YouTube or fourth, they will see how I was working hard on your construction. And you know, I said what? When maybe life is so hard in terms of construction as a handman, let me work it. Maybe in the future, things will went right. And right now, I'm trying to enjoy myself.
Yes. And that tells you everything is possible, you know. And also, I love the fact that you always push yourself, creating videos every single day. That's the road to success, because guys, how it works on YouTube, it pays you per video. So the more you grind hard, the more you put videos out there, the more success, you know.
Yeah, sure.
And always not giving up in life, you know. And take things easy, and no hurry, no pressure. Like, just take things slowly.
Yes. And then no shortcuts.
No shortcuts. Personally, I do believe when the time is right, everything wanna be aligning together. It's very, very biblical. When the time is right, the Lord always makes things.
Okay, take your avocado.
Oh yeah, Hello Baby decided to give to me these.
Yes.
These are avocados.
Yeah.
He just told me they are red.
Yes.
They are red.
When it's making like kun, it's ready.
Even this one.
Yeah, it's ready.
Even this one.
Yeah, it's ready.
All of them.
Yes, and you can maybe keep it within 3 days. Start eating.
So these only takes 3 days.
And then I think my last videos, I brought one of our fans here. Is Mozongo, and then he do like this. Oh, I like avocado. I say, okay, you go with it, and then say, no. Wow. You know, in the future, my house will be there. So that's the reason why I put the toilet there, the borehole
you
here.
Construct where the
some bananas on other side.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I can see. These are good plan, because if the house will be there, then the toilet here.
We have the borehole here.
The borehole here.
Yes. We have the small yard here. I don't want like maybe bigger compound. Yes. Small one.
This is amazing.
Yes.
So don't cut these trees then.
No. But the local one I left. But this one here, it's not good in your compound. Yes.
The eucalyptus trees, because of the not leaves but roots.
Yes.
Yeah, they have.
It's try to push the foundation, and then your house will fall down.
Exactly.
Yes.
Stories from here.
Wow.
So,
you know,
do you have a paper bag or carrier bag or something?
Never nenda pale. Enu mete carrier bag.
Anajua carrier bag. Yeah, I can put these up.
Ona, enda kuweka kabati huko mwisho kwenda Irungu. Uvute hivi utoe kifuko.
Okay. Carrier bag.
Yes, you know, sometimes people ask me, what's up between you and David Jr. I told them, because sometimes I was busy here and there, working home, looking for the mason. So like 1 week, I was spent here like almost 2 weeks looking the guy who can dig my borehole, and then I get, you know, sometimes we meet with you, maybe random.
I'm always busy, guys. You know, I'm here and out. Like the other days I was in Nairobi. Times I'm very busy with my work, you know.
Yeah.
So waiting for the carrier bag.
Yeah.
Huh? Carrier bag is just a small little bag that we're gonna be using to carry it.
You're gonna enjoy that avocado. You tell me the result. And then even the seed you can plant.
Wow.
Yes. It tastes so
Let me
sweet.
go test these ones.
And then you'll give me the feedback. Yes.
The carrier bag.
Hey, Kimbulete.
The carrier bag is coming.
Yes, that's my sister. Right there.
All right.
To the world.
This hello baby.
Say hello.
Hello.
You
Oh,
good?
she knows.
Yes, she was popular to the world.
Oh,
And she has a lot of friends rather than me.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's
Wow.
go. Let's go. So enjoy the video. Okay, where are we heading to? Tell me.
We're heading to somewhere else.
Okay.
But
For me, I'm flowing with the vibe.
yes,
Okay.
more videos coming, guys. Stay tuned.
Right here. You can shoot your video as
Yes.
well. No
Let me
problem.
hold it for you.
Okay.
That's it.
So here is how we do, guys. Okay. But for me, I'm used to. It's not
Yes.
like I don't know how to fetch water. I'm used to.
No, it's to launch.
Okay.
New borehole.
New borehole.
Yes.
Yeah, and it has a lot of water.
A lot.
So this is how we do, guys. This is how we do. I think one more will be full.
Yes. One more.
Yeah, at least right now
Oh,
we
no,
have water.
Another.
It has plenty of water.
Yes.
I can easily tell. Okay, guys. That is it.
Yeah.
That is it for today. Then you have to cover.
Yes. Take this one. Let me to narudisha hapa.
Like this.
Yes. Take out. Yeah.
Someone is calling me. I don't know.
Toa kamba. Yes, and then you put that one. Yes. Wow. It's a clean water, guys. You see right now here. But I think maybe, let me say 1 week ahead, it would be clean.
Yeah. But it has to be cemented round.
When I get mine, I'll do it. Yes.
But step by step.
Yes. Wow, guys, so finally I'm at David Junior Construction right now, and guys, it's a bright morning right now over here, as you can see, from East Africa, Kenya, so especially Nyabanse village to the world. So guys, today the work is going on right now here, and the farm work, as you can see right now, they have been keep going, guys. So I want to update you what is going on. Look at the pillar, man. It's strong, man. I'm telling you, to construct a pillar like this from here up to far end, guys, it's not easy, but it's by God's grace. And man, in case you're new here, guys, subscribe and check out David Junior and also Brother Dagi. So I appreciate. And right here the work is to curing pillars, you know. That's how we're curing pillars after 30 days. I'm telling you guys, even more than 30 days, man, curing the pillars, because you want to be strong, because it's go higher and higher, you know. Wow. Hey, wow. You see, guys, and when the pillar has a concrete cement, when you're curing water, it's splash, you can't see, you know. Even at that time when I came here, I asked them, did you curing the pillars? They told me yes, you have already curing the pillars. And then I say, just like, really? So I realized the pillar has a concrete cement. So we curing water. After a few minutes, it's dry up because cement is not a joke, you know. So we build something which it can last for the long time. Anyway, guys, let me show you the work for today. And actually, you can see the formwork is going on right now as I speak. So right now we have here maybe the bathroom. See this pipe right here. Also we have another one here. I think it's toilets. See the pipe here. We have another one here, guys. But guys, anyway, guys, don't mind. This is like, it's my, like when I put like this, nobody will try to pull my car like, you know. So when I'm in village here, I don't fear anything. So this is the bath for the bathroom, or maybe washing. Actually at the back here where I was coming from, it will be the kitchen right now here. It will be the kitchen right now here. So that's the reason why you see this green pipe here. Well, magic green pipe means for the water. Actually, when this house have been completed and everything have been done, so the water will be connected here. Maybe we have the underground tank maybe at the back here. So those that are coming from the rooftop would go inside, or else we have the government water that may be running from River Hivwa, going around to Border Town up to Migori, and then it's up to Border Town. So maybe we connect some pipes, and then we have the tap here. So this is the actual the connection of the water. When you say a green pipe, guys, let me know in the comment section. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Sometime I say things and maybe I make some errors. When you see a green pipe like this, it's meant for water, you know, water. And over here we have electricity pipes right here. So the wall pass between here and here. This one will be the middle of the wall. So we don't want to like demolish the wall after being completed. Anyway, guys, today is the work over here, putting the box for the staircase. Hey. Telling you guys. Wow. Charles Kirioba, introduce.
Hi guys.
Yes, you know every day I give you a shout out, so introduce yourself.
Yes.
This is your best time, you know.
Yes.
When this house have been completed,
Okay.
oh, you have been somewhere else.
Okay. This is King Charles Kirioba 254. I'm here working at the Juniors Construction. Now we are just erecting these pillars so as to hold the staircase up there.
Surface?
Yes, staircase.
Okay.
These are staircase. Yes. These are 4 pillars that carries the staircase.
Okay.
Yes.
So the more you go higher, you raise.
Yes.
Like you're just
Yes.
up. Okay. What about down here?
Down here. No,
Maybe somebody watching these videos.
Maybe down here. You can build here, the wall here, and maybe create a door from this side. You make a store. You can just keep anything.
Yeah, because I
Down
went
here.
for the most tall building like this.
Yes.
I found this maybe place like an empty space.
Yes.
And maybe in future they can be the part of the store.
Yes.
Yes.
Can be used as a store.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh guys, I think yesterday I was been here and they were being constructing or maybe putting the ballast over the staircase. You can see, man, in fact right now it's concrete, man. You know, you can pass easily. with no confusion. And then this is another staircase going to the first floor. This one here. Wow. Wow, guys. And right here we have the nails. We have the nails right here. We have another one right here. These are nails, guys. Wow.
Kuja mnishikia hapa.
Takushikia tu. Takushikia tu.
Tanishikia?
Haina shida. Iende huko ndani. Okay. Sasa ndo ukiseti vizuri niambie. Wow. So this is a box right here. And then if yes. Guys, don't mind today. Panga, mpatie panga. Mangi oga nanku. Anko mo. Angi oga.
Unachukua? Tunatumia sana.
Panga is a small machete. I'll show you. Right there, there's a panga. Okay, guys, don't mind today. I'm a handman right here. You know, sometimes it's good. Oh, sasa time na ya kushikiwa. Maana kitu kimekuwa concrete. Unatumia kushoto?
Nini? Hujai proof.
Guys, I'm asking him. He use a left hand. You're like, you use both two hands?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, guys, I'm using, to be honest, right hand, you know. And according to our culture, most of the people believe left hand have more energy than right hand. I'm telling you the way it is. Okay. Watu wana believe hii mkono hainaga nguvu sana. Hey, maybe somebody want to box with that left hand. Oh, you'll fall down. Yeah, so that being said, guys, right hand doesn't have more energy, but left hand, if somebody box you, bro, yeah? Okay? Oh, right now you are using right hand? Oh, hey, you are like your nerve. You are like your nerve. Yeah, it's good to know both hands. Maybe when you rotate to left hand, you can use left hand. When you rotate to the right side, you can use right hand. Wow. So maybe next time this staircase will go up to that way and then we climb on the first floor. Actually, guys, this is the first floor. And sorry guys, I've already repeated this word actually. So maybe it stick on my mouth. Hey. Morio. Excuse me, I'm dread. Guys, imagine in our village how we use manpower. Like no machine to cut timber. Woo! Boom. Bora kukata uko hetere. Oh no. Let me see. So guys, at the same time it's carrying water and cutting of the timber here, curing, setting of the box. Oh, Kwamboka, you good?
I'm well. Fine, thank you.
Why do you look like you're very, very tired?
I'm not tired, but Niko tu hivyo strong, lakini sijachoka yani.
So because I see you're like tired, just remove this sweater and then because of the heat, you ndio kukira roso tatu hangers. Hakuna mwenye atakuiba. Guys, I'm telling him just hang this sweater somewhere else because right now it's totally hot outside here. Kwamba try to imagine, I have the vest and I feel so like my body is heating. So toa hii.
Nitoa.
Hey, kwa nani? Hakuna anakuiba hapa. Hiki kitu ndio kufanyia joto na choka. Hamu uko sawa. So unaona hadi fundi ako na shati.
Hata fundi.
Aiya. Ona. Because imagine you have a gumboot and it's so hot here, you have a sweater. Bro. Hang somewhere. Yes. Introduce the Kienda.
Hello guys, this is Black Mamba working here at the Virginia construction site. So yesterday, as you see the work as it went, we did a casting. But today we are preparing this half columns to project the upper part. So meantime we are going to elevate and wait to be casted. Black Mamba, that's my channel name.
Okay. So you're the one who make the box.
I'm the one who made this.
Okay.
This from work.
I baby.
So you
Subscribe to
Black Mamba.
Okay.
Yeah. Kuja twende.
Labda alifikiria kitatu kilo moja.
Kwani misumari anataka kilo ngapi?
Twende.
Kaa nyuma. Wow. I think one of these days I will surprise you. Maybe taking you to the hotel. One of these days. The day is coming. Guys, I'm telling them, one of these days when I get money, I'll take them to the hotel and enjoy within here, our local hotel. You know what I'm saying? When I'm saying, I mean, and I take action. One of these days, if you're a baby, guys, you see?
Sasa mkienda hapo mnaenda kupita hadi huko juu.
Lete wekelea hapa juu.
Wekelea hapa.
Hiyo kitu wekelea hapa juu.
So guys, I'm telling you there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. There are 6. If I spend more than 10 USD, I can spoil them in our local hotel here. One of these days, man. Because they are doing a good job. Wow. Yeah, must be very careful.
Pelea tu chini pole pole. Haya, shuka chini, simama kwa tii hapo. Shuka chini, simama kwa tii hapo.
Wow. So guys, I was saying this is a punk right here, or other way we call machete. You know? Wow. Kanyaga tu hizo bana, isije kutubama kafu.
Okay, wana nchile ngende toiga. Akiri yesi kwa kwa imo isato. Inua. Inua balanga.
Yeah, they want to fix. You know, a pillar like this, fix a box like that way.
Bona ugosie kagao. Ha? Vai agao. Ugosie. Wentamba kego.
Ndio chini upige dunga.
Cho sukume gocha. Kwa sukumire gocha. Ni hame msumari.
Kwa bentambe. Bwana chini.
Ha?
Siki mfano hii ikifika hapa ndio upige ile mbao. Ile stop ishikilie.
Pro che usinere go ani ngofoga idea. Wano dio go nantie ye. Pro chichira ngai ni to chichira ngai.
Well guys, that's another vernacular language. That's a Kisi. I'm telling you, if you're watching these videos and you are Kisi, you have already understand, you know. So we have so many different tribes in Africa, especially in Kenya. Here we have Luo, Agikuyu, Kisi, Kuria, Luya, so many tribes. Kalenjin.
Niga, negro.
Hiyo kitu nimeukataza ni mbaya.
Language yangu.
Unasema negro.
Negro ni mtu mweusi.
Black man.
Negro?
Negro is a black American.
Yes. But I don't say nigger. I'm trying maybe to advise you to avoid nigger.
What?
And in quote, it's meant for black America. Yes. N in quote means nigger. It's not allowed maybe to say every time nigger, you know. It's meant for black America. Me no ambia.
But in the meantime, I'm gonna leave that name.
Okay, you just go and search.
But you know what?
N in quote.
Yeah, I know.
Or nigger. The meaning of nigger you'll see.
I know.
Maybe you call yourself ninja.
No, but meantime, I'm going to leave that name. I had a friend by that name, but he used to. So I used to attack that language.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Seldom I used to use that language. Okay.
Babu, can you pandia wapi? Oh, guys, I want to go on the top and show you some work that are going on there. Wow. Imagine these are so I'm using this ladder going on top and show you what is going on. Wow. These are square. Wow. I'm telling you guys, I'm climbing. Oh my gosh. Babu nakuja na kazi yenye inaendelea tu natoka. Guys, see right here. Oh man. Babu mambo yanasonga. Oh, when the breakfast?
Break time.
Yeah, it's break time. You can go right now. Yes.
Yeah.
Panga ndo unaletewa hapa. Okay, that's panga. So I'm told him you just go for break time. Right now it's break time, so he can go. Wow. Look guys, so this is the first floor. And I think here the formwork have already been done. So the work that remaining here is to put trappers. But trappers yatakaa wapi? Juu chini? Trappers.
Upside.
Oh, nishaelewa. Ile sehemu okay. Ile sehemu smooth inakaa juu. Ndio zegi inakaa. Na mteka karatasi.
Karatasi? No need.
Umeona?
Kama ziko smooth. Na joint zako zinashikana vizuri. No need.
Mungepata kia Mungu ile marine board. Oh.
Marine board yako, junior atanunua hiyo marine board yote.
So unaweza mpigia hesabu ni marine board gani ngapi zitaenda. Ukipata kama hata ni marine board 30. Zitatengeneza vizuri, kazi kiisha zinatunza sehemu yenye mvua hainyeshi. Tena anaendelea nazo. Wow. So guys, you see behind how it looks like. From other side, see, going. It's a small market, man, but a popular to the world, you know. And I'm so grateful to be born and raised in Nyabohansi village. But actually, oh guys, sorry for this word, but probably I'm living on other village. But I'm within Nyabohansi, but on the other side, that's where I'm calling home. We Black Mamba, hiki tu lipindaga? Ha? Eh? Wow. So guys, it's time to go down. Wow, you can see our neighbors. Yes, during back years, our neighbors, they were being rich around the community here. You can see the tall building over there. We have another one right there, and when you go other side, we have another one that way, but it's not completed, you know. But probably it's by God's grace.
Since it's break time, I'm gonna show you the workers.
You don't want to go break time?
I don't need. Because right now
It's around 10, I think.
10. Only 2 hours to lunch for me.
So maybe you can eat heavy breakfast and then you forget lunchtime.
Not even a heavy breakfast. What matters me most is lunchtime.
Okay. You know, guys, somebody like a Robebo official here, when I'm eat strong breakfast, no lunch.
You survive the entire
Yes, up to sup. Me, I'm telling you.
That's
Yeah?
good. But I've come to realize that
Hey,
the people, most people in once like take breakfast, then sup.
yes. Maybe when I forget to take breakfast, I will eat lunch.
But what about when you do the heavy work like this one?
This one? I think I can eat twice.
Twice.
Breakfast, lunch, because construction is not easy.
Yes, of course.
But maybe my work is to do videos. There's no need to eat twice per day. I eat only breakfast and then sup. If I miss maybe breakfast, I will eat lunch.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how do you see the work?
The work is good and super amazing.
Super amazing.
Yes. So I can't wait to see the reaction of maybe putting the concrete on the first floor. Now is it first floor much?
This one, when we cast the concrete, I think the concrete will be reaching somewhere here. So then this.
It's how many inch?
From here, not remember the trappers will be laid here. From this one, 4 inch. You know.
Why don't you put 6 inch?
Depending on the instruction, but when the instructor comes, he will tell us how far we are going to cast this. Even if it's 6 inch,
I think you put 6 inch.
it will reach here, you know?
Yes, 6 inch.
So from here, this projection, this all the projection, will be another column standing up.
Yeah.
These are the starter.
So I think 4 inch it's lesser because this house will become maybe like
it will
4.
6 inches.
6 inches.
Which is equivalent to 150. Yeah, that's 150.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys.
So these are the starter for the upper column.
Okay. Alright guys, I think right now I'm heading to somewhere else. Some more amazing videos coming, guys, so stay tuned. Well guys, so finally I'm outside with my bike. Oh man. Heading home. It's so hot here, so you can tell, you know. Wow, nothing guys, people are building here. So I'm going straight that way. This is another part of my village. Wow. We have a sharp corner right now here. Wow, and Tanzania, it's over there. Let's go guys. Your son, Hello Web Official, is outside. But guys, anyway guys, sometime I didn't feel like to wear the helmet because I'm around at my village. When I'm going like far away, so I wear the helmet. Look that view. I'm heading home toward an end of my videos, so let's go. Wow, look how people are doing, man. People invest. But the good thing is, let me stay positive. My day is coming. When my day is coming, I'll build, and then I will never complain. Even right now, I'm just okay. But I'm keep grinding so hard. Let's go. Look, perimeter wall. Maybe one day I'll do it for my parents or for my mom. Let's go. This video, it's up to home. Wow. And right here we have the police post. Right here. Honestly, Bohanse police post. Guys, I'm on motorbike. Heading home. Wow. So heading this way? Not that way. Heading that way. We keep moving. Up home. And then I'll pass near Bohanse market, but within the tarmac road, within here, as I keep showing you. So we left that part. Heading this way. Wow. Let's go. I'm going at my own pace. Man, I'm outside on the other side on this fence. We have a national school known as Mwenye Bohanse. So that girls' school is named after the rate of Daniel Charam Moore. Whoa! Look at that. Right there. Let's go, man. And see, that's charcoal on the motorbike. Upcoming restaurant right there. Right there. Maybe one day you'll be lucky when that restaurant will be constructed and complete everything. I'll take you there, guys. One day maybe you come to Africa.
It's a hard time.
Wow. It's matter of an end of this video. So I'm keep Floyd vibe, and I think I'll end my video at home. It's good, man, to end my video at home. Look outside. That's a quarry right there. Green view. But guys, the good thing about our village here, let me tell you one thing. The good thing about our village here, it's summer season, but I was look on this side. Right, but center is tarmac road. Oh, we're heading home. Look at this side. Let's go. This is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. This tarmac road that you see here. So after a few minutes from here, I will left the tarmac road, use the shortcut going home. Wow. Let me go. So guys, finally, I left the tarmac road the way it is, heading this way. Now is to make the dust. You can't tell in the comment section. Right now, this is how our life is here. It's to make dust. See the other side. We have the municipal right here. Every day I show you this is the entrance. I'll show you the exit. We have a sharp corner here. Wow. This is the part of the government property, municipal council. Right here. So we have the exits, gates, right here. Let's go. Look how it's purely dry season here. It's summer season. You can't tell. And even at the back, I think you see a little bit dust here. So this is the kind of life that we have in our village here. Look the cloud. It's purely white. You have the church right there. On the other side, it's under construction. Wow. We keep moving. On the other side is Brother Dagi's home, right here. We have the local school known as Achieva. That one here. It's good. Wow, look at the side. This is how Africa like village roads looks like. You know, I know most of the part of the Africa they were being developed. Hey, kids are riding the bicycle. I see the KK. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe outpost. You see road is coming, and that's the KK right there, carrying we calling sweet potatoes vein. And actually, I'm heading this way. So I supposed to wait that lorry to be get out. Oh, it's dust, man. You can tell that road is making dust here. But all in well, let's go home. I'm stuck here. I need to turn. Wow. As the story to an end. Well guys, right now to be honest, I'm on the process of burning the bricks, but actually on my yesterday videos I'm looking for the like big trees to burn for my mama bricks, you know. So I need to arrange things in order. Have a sharp corner here, you know. As I try. Woo! It's dust here. We're heading home. Wow. So on my yesterday videos, I do it off camera, but to be honest, I was talking with the guy like who make for me bricks. We are talking with his dad, so he showed me some trees, and he needs $200 to cut off the trees. Great. Wow. The trees is supposed to be other side. That all line that you see going up to that way, I'll cut those trees down, you know, because when I get money, I'll cut those trees. It's a whole line, and it's a bigger trees. So finally guys, I'm back home. I'm back home. Oh, wow. That's how I end my day. Imagine guys, be honest. No one will blame you, okay? No, maybe you do this for me. Never not, man. East to west, home is the best. Right now, I'm back home. Imagine, from a handman to on the stones right here. You see that one there? All of that. Imagine guys. Whoa. This is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm calling home. And right now, I want to end my day. Oh guys, imagine. This is my grandma home or my dad's parents' home. That's my dad's place. And I want to end my videos in good way. So probably, let's see what's inside here. Hello babe on the control. We were watching the Junior video in the morning. We brought my dog the food. You eat the food. So right now guys, imagine guys, we have the tank and everything. So anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next videos by God's grace. Let's see by tomorrow's videos. Look, we have the installation of the tank. This is the pipe. Look, we have the tank. This is Bruno right now here. He's enjoying. These are our mabati gates, but soon I'm going to change it. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow guys. So bye.